Every year, ships face severe damage and even loss because of poor understanding of storm behavior.
In this video, we will understand what a tropical revolving storm is and how a ship can safely avoid it. A hurricane, or typhoon, is a low-pressure system that forms over warm, tropical seas. It is an area of strong, circular winds, heavy rain, high seas, and poor visibility in a large area, sometimes hundreds of miles. Winds circulate anti-clockwise in the northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere. A tropical revolving storm forms when sea surface temperatures are high, accompanied by high humidity and an unstable atmosphere. When the atmospheric pressure in an area falls at least 3 millibars below the seasonal mean pressure, the conditions become favorable for the development of a hurricane. A TRS has a well-defined structure. At the center is the eye, an area of lowest pressure and relatively calm weather. Surrounding the eye is the eye wall, which contains the strongest winds, heaviest rain, and highest seas. Beyond this are spiral rain bands that can extend hundreds of miles and cause sudden squalls. For ships at sea, a tropical revolving storm presents serious dangers. These include violent winds, extreme rolling and pitching, risk of cargo shift, deck damage, engine overload, and steering difficulties. Heavy rain can reduce visibility, and confused seas can make ship handling extremely difficult. Therefore, avoidance is always better than encountering the storm. Remember, keep as far as possible from the storm, but never less than 300 nautical miles. The first and most important step in avoidance is early detection. Regularly monitor weather forecasts, nav text messages, EGC warnings, and weather routing advice. A steadily falling barometer, combined with increasing wind and swell, is a strong indication of an approaching storm. Correct avoidance action depends on knowing your position relative to the storm center. In the northern hemisphere, if the wind veers and pressure falls, the ship is likely in the dangerous semicircle. If the wind backs and pressure falls, the ship is in the navigable semicircle. The dangerous semicircle lies to the right of the storm's direction of movement. Here, wind speed and wave height are higher due to the combined effect of storm movement and rotation. The navigable semicircle lies to the left of the track and is comparatively safer, though still hazardous. In the northern hemisphere, in the dangerous semicircle, keep the wind on the starboard bow and make best possible speed away from the storm center. In the navigable semicircle, keep the wind on the starboard quarter and proceed away from the storm. In the southern hemisphere, these actions are reversed. Reduce speed if necessary to prevent slamming and structural stress. Secure all cargo, hatches, and deck equipment. Adjust course to avoid taking heavy seas directly on the beam. Never attempt to cross ahead of a moving storm, as this is extremely dangerous. Increase bridge manning and keep the master informed at an early stage. Ensure engine room readiness. Radar can help identify rain bands, but the barometer remains one of the most reliable indicators of storm behavior. Late action, incorrect assessment of storm semicircle, and over-reliance on electronic aids are common mistakes that lead to accidents. Always take early action and avoid falling into eye of the storm, because that can be fatal. A tropical revolving storm is not something to challenge, but something to respect and avoid. Good seamanship, early planning, and correct decision-making are the keys to safety at sea.